Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna see how you can create a Discord server, a epic Discord server, guys, using Sapphire bot, MeEE6, ProBot, and etc. So for this video, we're gonna just create a Discord server, guys. The next upcoming videos, I will put how you can use that bots. So let's get started. So I have Discord app, so if you want you can create in the web app itself, the same as Discord app. Okay, so I'm gonna use Discord app, guys. Okay, so for other like the next videos where if you're using a bot, I will just give the link down below. Okay, so to be honest, before you start the video, I have to tell you guys, the people who are all joined my server, I give a big shout out and thanks to them who are all joined my Discord server. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you guys. So let's get started. So now you should go down here and you have a thing called plus icon. Click on that and create my own for a club or community. So if you want to create for friends, you can. If you want to create for a community, you can. So for a club or community, click on this, name it like your own name, test server for video guys. Okay, so the server for a video. Wait guys, let me just update my status to working. Let me just update because sometimes people call me, so that's why. Okay, got it. So now what we are gonna do is we are gonna delete all these channels and create a channel one by one. Okay, so delete category. Oh my god. Okay, delete category. For this also I'm gonna delete channel. Okay guys, so this is the server, a blank server. Okay guys, so I'm gonna create a category called welcome. And I'm gonna create a channel called welcome. So if you I'm gonna add some emojis also, because the emoji I'm gonna add a smile. Okay, and put welcome. Great. And I'm gonna create another channel called with book or file. Oh my god, gosh, no. Where's file? Yeah, file. And name it as rules. The next thing I'm gonna create is just add one emoji for goodbye. So these are the things, the basic things you have to create for making keeping a Discord server. So the next thing is announcement channel. If you have a YouTube channel or if you want to announce about something or anything, you can just create a category and go ahead with creating that. So just create a thing called category. Create category. In here what we are gonna do is we are gonna name it as announcement. And here also we're gonna create a thing called YouTube or channel announcement. Channel announcement. Here if you want you can add an emoji like a camera. So yeah, create channel. Next we are gonna create a thing called website announcement. This is for the website which you have. It's not that it's compulsory to create a website announcement. If you have a website you can create it, cause I have a website, so I'm gonna create this, guys. Click website announcement. So next what we are gonna do is we are gonna create a thing called server announcement. Server announcement. Save. Okay, let me put this server announcement for bill. Okay, yes, bill. Yeah, it is here. Save changes. Okay, so these are the main things you should have. If you have a channel or website, you can keep it. Okay, if you don't have channel or website, you can just go ahead with server announcement and other announcements. For now, for this video we're not gonna do like that, because in my thing itself, in my server itself, I've just did a server announcement, upcoming videos, questions, general, levels, stuff only, logs, more chat, CWS computer working system, bot, more logs, bot commands, website improvements, channel improvements, and a voice hangout. So we have these so many things, guys. So now we are just gonna concentrate on the basic channels. So the next video will be like a bot, or the next video will be like updating permissions. So today we are just gonna create a server. Okay, guys, so where's the server? This server for video. Okay, now I'm gonna create a channel. Okay, and it is called logs. Guys. Oh, sorry guys. Oh yeah, dude, sorry guys. Let me just delete this. Create category server logs. In server logs we're gonna create a thing called logs, channel called logs. If you want to have more chat, you can have more chat, like with your moderator. You can just share with the moderator and you can talk about what improvements we are gonna do. So guys, till here we have created. So guys, we are gonna create a category called general. So let's create that. Create category general. Create category, and here we're gonna create a channel called general. Then after this we are gonna create a category called fun. We're gonna create a channel called first we're gonna put okay, levels. Great. Then for after levels I'm gonna create category called improvements. Just gonna put chart. Just copy this, paste it. Website improvements. Create channel. channel improvements. So for these things we have done. So next is we're gonna should have a voice channel. So we're gonna create a category called voice chat. So in here we're gonna should be a voice, and I'm just gonna put the server voice chat, the server voice chat, create channel. So this is how you can create a basic basic Discord server, guys. So this is how you can create a basic Discord server. So just see this video, you can create a nice Discord server, guys. The next video will be to edit all the permissions, these permissions, guys. So I'll do it in the next video, and after that we are gonna do roles, and after that we are gonna do more. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you guys. So see you soon, guys, and next video. Bye bye bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading